So alright guys, thank you very much for clicking on this video, and in this video we are going to do analysis of this EURJPY and EURUSD weekly analysis, right? So right here you guys can see that this is EURJPY. I don't want to waste your time, so that's why I'm just getting right into the video, right? This is EURJPY for our time frame at the moment. You guys still remember when we took a buy right here on EURJPY, right? Let me show you on my account right here so that you can just understand that we execute a buy right on that level. I think I posted it on this my trading view account, and of course if you are not following me on this trading view, make sure you follow me right now so that we'll be connected on this one as well. You see that this is EURJPY for our time frame analysis. Let me just play it with you. This was where we got into the trade, and right now I'm going to show you where exactly this EURJPY went to, right? So if we play this right away, you see that EURJPY actually boom goes up to the upside, right? So that's how it is. And right now we are going to do another analysis again for the EURJPY so that we can know what exactly we are expecting if the market opens next week, right, or few hours from now. So this is the EURJPY for our time frame, and first of all I will just clear all of this analysis and things like that, so we can just do another one afresh, and in order for us to understand what exactly is going to happen on this EURJPY, right? So yeah, let me go ahead and clear everything. So I clear everything, then I will go down to daily time frame. After I come down to daily time frame right now, what am I going to do next is, since you already know that I don't trade with indicators in the forex market, right? I don't use any indicators to trade. The first thing that I usually do is I usually plot my support and resistance, and of course you can zoom out so that you can see exactly what the market is doing. But me right now, I'm just going to go straight forward and start plotting my support and resistance, because that will allow me to know where exactly I will be expecting the market to go. So these are my support and resistance right now on this daily time frame. So yeah, let me just finish putting the support and resistance, then we continue. So yeah, these are my support and resistance on the daily time frame now. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I will go down to 4-hour time frame so that I can just adjust my support and resistance also and see if I still have another levels that I did not plot, right? As you can see now on the 4-hour time frame, there are some levels whereby they are missing, right? So right here I will still put another support right on this level and change the color to be purple. After changing the color, then I'll go and take my rectangle and put it right here as well, so I can put my rectangle right there because I'm seeing something at that point, right? And also I'm seeing another thing right here as well, so I will just do it like this. That's it. And also the next thing that I'm going to do now is that I'll just observe if everything is okay. So in this case now you can see that on this 4-hour time frame everything is okay, and remember that the market is on uptrending, right? The market is uptrending to the upside, so I will be expecting the market to continue to move to the up, right? So you can draw a trend line this way. After you draw your trend line, we are supposed to expect the market to come down to the downside from here now, to come down to this point before it goes up to the upside again. So I will just put my long position right here. I will just put my long position. Then what am I going to do next is I will just put my stop loss, and take profit is going to be right above here. So you can see it's going to go for about 200 pips to the upside, right? So just click that, and right now the confirmation that I have for this is that, remember I said that the market is going to go to the upside because it's uptrending, right? And as you can see right on this level, the market is making some sort of a double top formation, and you guys know how we trade a double top and things like that in the forex market, right? Because if you are a price action trader and naked chart trader, you are supposed to understand exactly all of these zones in the market. So you guys know that these zones now I will be expecting the market to either go up to the upside or to the downside, and of course in this case I will be expecting it to come down to the downside, right? Based on the fact that it is uptrending, and this move that is going to come down to the downside, it is a retracement for an uptrending market. This is what we call a corrective move, and I will be expecting this corrective move to come down and reach this level. Or if you are not yet okay, or if you don't know exactly that this is where the market is going to start the move to the upside again, you can take your Fibonacci retracement and start measuring it right there, and of course you see that this is almost at my 61%. So yeah, once it comes back down to this level, I will be expecting the market to start the move to the upside again. So this is how exactly you can have your confirmations and everything like that whenever time you're trying to do analysis, or whenever time you're trying to get into the market at all. Make sure you have your 4 to 5 signal confluences. After you have have them, then you get into the market and ride it all the way to where your take profit is, so that you can have a good confirmation and be confident in your trend. And also, just an advice for you guys, I want you to just be risking 1 to 3% of your account size on each trade that you are getting in. Just take note of this: 1 to 3% of your account size. Never risk more than 1 to 3%, bro, on each trade that you are getting in the forex market. Because what I just observed is that a lot of people, they don't exactly risk this 1 to 3%. Forex is all about being patient, and also it's all about you controlling your emotion and your psychology, right? Once you are able to control your emotion, control your psychology, definitely you're going to make it in the forex market. Okay, yeah, as I was saying, risk 1 to 3% of your account size on each trade that you are getting in the forex market. Your goal as a trader, you have to work towards your percentage, not you trying to flip your account and tomorrow you blow it, right? So make sure you just risk 1 to 3% of your account size on each trade that you are getting in the forex market, because it is very important for you to first of all protect your capital. That's your goal as a trader. So right now, this is EURJPY 4-hour time frame analysis, and right now what I say is that I will expect it to come down to the downside for as a retracement. Then right here, I will look out for price action signals, and before I get into the market and calculate my risk reward ratio, so that I can know exactly which type of lot size to use on my account, right? Because it is very important for you to understand which type of lot size to use and things like that on your account, so that you cannot exceed the total number of lot size that you are supposed to get in on one trade on your account, right? So yeah, right here, if you have any question regarding this analysis, just write it down in the comment below so that I can just answer you right away. So right now, let's go back down to EURUSD to do the analysis. This is EURUSD now 4-hour time frame as well, right? So we go down to daily time frame so that we can just plot our support and resistance right here, so that we can look out for what are we going to be expecting on EURUSD as well, because it is very important for us to do all these stuffs, guys. Remember, I say that if you are price action and naked chart trader, definitely you have to be putting your support and resistance levels accurately. Without you putting your support and resistance levels accurately, remember, you know, it's not going to be okay with you trying to trade price action, right? Because price action, you know, I define it as a trader psychology in the market. So you have to understand exactly what we mean by trader psychology in the market, right? So yeah, you guys can see that this is EURUSD 4-hour time frame, right? I mean daily time frame, not 4-hour time frame. Sorry for that. So right here, these are my support and resistance. So I will just zoom it in like this, and what am I going to be expecting on this now is that I will be expecting it to come down for a retracement, right? And of course, I'm still a lot of levels on this, but just put this one right here, because when I go down to 4-hour time frame, it's not going to be like this again. It's going to change on the 4-hour time frame, right? We have to just keep our eye on all of these things. It is very important, guys. So let's go down to 4-hour time frame so that I can just understand exactly where the market is and what am I going to be expecting on this particular market structure, right? So you guys can see that the market is moving to the downside, sorry, to the upside, right? Means that this is an uptrending market, not a downtrending market. Remember, in the forex market, we have three types of market structures. We have uptrending market, we have downtrending market, and we have ranging market. And of course, you have to understand exactly how each and every one of them moves, right? So let's take, for example, this is how an uptrending market moves: high, low, high, low. This is where your support and resistance is going to be like this. So we have something that we call corrective move and impulsive move, right? This is corrective move, this is impulsive move. You know, I kind of teach all of these things in details to my students. So if you want to get in-depth knowledge of how to understand market structures, market patterns, and everything like that, all the links to my social media platform are going to be down in the description below. And also follow me on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook page, and also you follow us on our Twitter handle, right? Because it is very important for us to be connected on all of our social media platforms. So yeah, without wasting much of your time, let's just continue with the analysis so that we can just understand exactly what are we going to be expecting on EURUSD as well when the market opens. And of course, if you have any question, just let me know down in the comment below so that I will just answer your question right away. So far I say it, right? So yeah, let's just continue with this. Remember, I say that this market is uptrending. So what are we going to be expecting on this EURUSD 4-hour time frame now is that I'll just put another rectangle, because I'm seeing a lot of levels right here. I'm seeing another level. I remember that was the time that I sent the buy signal to my student from here to the upside. So we took a buy right here, and you see that it's almost 500 600 pips. But yeah, I think it was here that we got out of the market and came down for retracement, but I did not get in again. So it is what it is. That's how the market does, you know. Once you are able to catch some pips, you know, you get out of the market, man. Not for you to be trying to catch the whole move, and except you are a swing trader like me. Because me, I usually go for about 600 pips, 500 pips, even 1000 pips. I do go for it, man, because I've been doing this since 2017 and I've been going for this 1000 pips, 300 pips, 200 pips, and things like that. That's why you see me, it's very difficult for you to see me scalping the market. I don't scalp the market, guys. This is the Euro USD 4-hour time frame. Now I will be expecting it to come down for retracement as well before it start to move to the upside. So let me just show you where I'm expecting this to come back down for the retracement in order for it to start the move to the upside again. So right here, it is where I'll be expecting the Euro USD to come back down for retracement before it goes up again. So I will expect it to come back down to this point before it will go back up again. So let me see. And of course, if you are not sure of what you are doing, you can just use your Fibonacci retracement. That's why you have it right here, and I'm kind of showing it to you, right? I'm kind of showing it to you. So you see that this is where 50% is and 61% is. So yeah, if it breaks out of this level, you just wait and wait for it to come down either to this point, and if it breaks the 50%, you wait for it to come down to the 61%. And definitely once it comes back down for this to this 61%, believe me, it's gonna go back up to the upside and start the move, you know, to continue the move to the upside. That's an uptrending market, right? Because the overall move of this Euro USD is uptrending. So I'll be expecting you to buy it, not sell it, right? So yeah, that's what I'm just expecting from this Euro USD and Euro JPY to do when the market opens. So I will expect both of them to start the retracement first before it will continue to move to the upside, right? So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. We come to the end of it. If you like what I'm doing right here on the channel, just give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also share this video with your friends and family, right? And just a quick note, don't forget to subscribe to our free Telegram channel, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, and also follow us on our Facebook page, right? Because it is very important for us to be connected on all of my social media handles, guys. So yeah, once more again, I'm Sir Israel the Trader, and I'm signing out. I wish you a very good and profitable week this week. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time in our YouTube video. Bye, guys. Peace out to you and stay safe.